Visual elements of a cultural familiarity are very important. According to Bars and Berger, these perspectives are ingrained into us from day one. The billboards in each geographic region should reflect that particular culture and atmosphere. The urban billboard can show law enforcement playing in the streets with children, and the suburban billboard could display the officer interacting with students while at school. The urban and suburban culture is so different that putting the same billboard in both cities could cause hard feelings for one of them. Depending on one's memories, experiences, or expectations, they may perceive them each differently. For instance, those in an urban area may not be accustomed to playing in their front yard, but rather on a playground or in a community center. The urban community can engage emotionally with the officer playing with children in the street, as that is the environment that they are used to seeing the officers, as well as the suburban students are used to having social interaction with an officer at school. Arthur Berger went into further detail on Barth's theory and defined 4 types of codes or signs that can be seen in the images. A metonymic sign causes the viewer to assume that their interaction with the law enforcement officer will be positive. An analogical sign causes the mind to make a comparison. In both of these images, we want them to be family friendly. There aren't any displaced codes in either of these images. And lastly is the condensed code. These are culture specific. Those not within the culture of each image may not relate to those images, therefore they will not have a positive outlook on either of them.